Don't fix your posture if you like your double chin, because bad posture creates one. Most people try gua sha, creams, massages, but ignore the real problem that's erasing your jawline, your neck posture. It is a myth that aging is just about wrinkles. It is about your face and neck collapsing into each other, shortening your neck, hiding your jawline, and forming jowls way faster than they should. Let's change that today. I'll teach you 5 very simple face yoga and neck posture exercises that help you lift, lengthen, and reshape your jawline naturally. Ready? Watch me. When your head drops forward and your shoulders round in, your jawline disappears. And you start to believe that that's just how your face is. And even if your real face looks sharper than that, your bad posture hides it from you. And everyone else too. But here's the truth. Bad posture doesn't just age your face. It drains your confidence. It zaps your energy and it makes you seem less credible, even if you're fully capable. So here's a quick fix to start reshaping it. Imagine a string lifting you up from the crown of your head. Roll your shoulders gently back, your chin parallel to the ground. Now wrap your hands behind your chair if you're doing this exercise at your work desk or while standing behind your back. Now look up towards the ceiling and extend your lower lip over your upper lip. Like so. Now in this position, smile for a deeper stretch and hold that stretch. You will feel your muscles all the way from your neck, your jawline, and even into your droopy lip corners start to work. Hold it for 3 to 4 seconds each time and then slowly release. Don't rush this. Complete about 10 reps in 1 minute. Do this 3 times a day and start teaching your face to lift itself, not collapse into gravity. This exercise will help you retrain the muscles that lift your jawline, strengthen your neck against gravity, and bring back that long, elegant neckline. Without tension or strain, it also resets your posture. So your face looks a lot more youthful instead of compressed and tired. But what about that build-up tension that's keeping your neck stuck in this poor posture? It's not that easy to fix it in a day. That's not just because of aging, it is lifestyle habits that are turning into your muscle memory. And since we are talking about caring for your neck, especially at your work desk, I have been loving this little device lately. Honestly, when the first time I saw this, I thought this was a hairband or wireless headphones. But it's actually the MYTREX Dr. Heat Neck Massager. Small, cordless, and perfect for melting away neck and jawline tension. Just slip it on and let it do its thing. And let me tell you, my neck goes through a lot. Whether I'm sitting at my work desk for hours scrolling or posting on my phone, cooking dinner with my head bent down, or even just relaxing and watching TV, sometimes unaware of my posture. Raise your hand if you too fit into these categories. Everything we do these days makes our head tilt forward. Now that tension does not go away on its own. It just stays in your neck and it starts to pull down your jawline, and it shortens and tightens this whole area as well as your shoulders. And it shows on your face. The first time I tried it, I didn't feel much happening. But later, I realized that you have to dampen your neck area before wearing this. So you could just use a little bit of water or even just aloe vera gel should work. And this is important because this is how EMS works better with a little bit of moisture on your skin. And the moment I did that, game changer. I could actually feel that 360-degree pulse massage working deep into my neck muscles. What's amazing is it has 6 massage modes and 16 EMS intensity levels. So you can totally customize how gentle or deep you want it to be. So once you turn it on, you'll see on one side, you can increase or decrease EMS in these 4 sensors. And on the other side, you can increase or decrease the intensity in these sensors around the neck area. I've turned this on with EMS level 1 intensity and heat level 1 intensity. It feels fun. It's like somebody's kneading deep. You can feel these pulses. can feel it all the way till here. Oh my God, it's like really loosening that lymphatic drainage. I actually want to increase the heat now, not just the intensity. Because sometimes you feel tight right here. But guys, slowly build up the intensity on EMS. It can feel really strong if you immediately jump on level 5 or 6 or higher. Some days I just want the soft heat to melt away the stress, but on other days I just want to dial up on my EMS and give my neck that real workout. And unlike going to a spa once a month, I can use this practically every day. It improves the lymphatic drainage, it loosens up those tight muscles, and it keeps your neck from shortening over time. Which, by the way, makes a huge difference in how your jawline and your face look. When your neck lengthens and relaxes, your face naturally looks a lot more lifted and open, not forced to look up. Honestly, it's one of those smart one-time investments. Use it yourself and then trust me on this. Sneak it around your husband's neck when he's gaming or scrolling and he will thank you later. I will pop my promo code and the link right here on the screen so you don't miss shopping this Dr. Heat neck device. Because truly, there aren't many neck devices like this that are well researched, efficient, and save you a ton of time and of course a lot of money on massages and physical therapy. So next time you feel that neck stiffness creeping in, instead of waiting for your next spa appointment, take care of it daily, in minutes, right at home. So when I was researching something to help me maintain my posture better at desk, I came across this device and I actually reached out to MYTREX asking if I could try it, especially after using their MYTREX Head Spa Pro. Remember, I featured this little guy, which has been a total game changer for my scalp firmness and reducing hair fall. I have tried their products before, so I already trusted the brand and its results. Remember guys, my promo code applies to all of their products that you choose to invest in. So take your time, explore what works for you. And a big thank you to MYTREX for sponsoring this video and trusting that I will only share what truly works for my blushers. All right, now we are on to exercise number 2. This one's a must-do at your work desk, especially if you notice that your shoulders are curling forward and dragging your face down into a poor posture. Notice that if your shoulders don't go back, there isn't a possibility for you to elevate your neck. So it's very important to work on this. So it's called shoulder shrugs, and here's how you do it. On an inhale, breathe into your stomach and raise your shoulders up. Then on a strong exhale, open your shoulders back and drop them down with a loud ha. Okay, so this is how it should look. This releases built-up tension from your neck, chest, and shoulders and resets your upper body for better posture. Do you feel it? Try 15 to 20 repetitions of this, and here's a little bonus. If you're starting to feel sleepy or drowsy at desk, this breathwork combined with fixing your posture will instantly energize you. It will wake you up. Think about it this way. If your shoulders are slouched, your whole face gets dragged down with them. But the moment you open them up, your neck feels longer and your jawline can actually lift instead of hanging down. It will show up and you will feel like showing up too. Simple, right? It's not just a posture, but also a confidence transformation. Your face follows your posture. All right, for the next exercise, we are moving a little higher. And this is something I always remind my students, whether they're working with me one-on-one or inside any of my online programs. Always start from the lower part of your face and neck and then work your way up. And this is one of those little secrets that I reserve for my classes, but I'll share more on why this matters towards the end of this video. But first, let's get into the next move. If you don't mind getting a little noisy at your workplace, this one could seriously reward you with a more chiseled jawline. Get ready for this exciting exercise number 3, mewing with the jawline stretch and click activation. And this one starts with the face yoga essential, the mewing position. If you've watched my previous videos, you know that mewing is one of those first things you need to master if you want a longer, more defined jawline. better tongue posture to support your facial structure, and improved breathing and posture that lifts your whole face upward instead of collapsing it downward. So let's start. Press your entire tongue gently onto the roof of your mouth. This is your mewing foundation. Now from here, lift your chin up slightly until you feel a deep stretch from the corners of your mouth into the sagging jowl area along the neck. Some of you might already be blown away by how intense this feels. And yes, the stretch is working. But believe me, this is just the starting point. Now for the fun part. Keep your tongue pressed up, and from here, use your tongue like a plunger. Gently pull it down and release it back up. It should make a soft click sound like this. Can you hear that sound? If yes, then you're one step closer to the chiseled jawline and neck. If you can't yet, then don't worry. Watch my video on how to mew correctly first. This is where I'll teach you the basics of mewing first. And while doing this, if your mouth feels dry and that sound disappears, take a small sip of water. If you want to make it even more effective, place your hands gently on your chest near your collarbones to add that little resistance. It'll make your neck muscles work harder and your results faster. Try making 15 to 20 of these clickety sounds and then comment below. Tell me how your jawline feels after this one. This helps start blood circulation upward towards your face. Now for the reason why I always ask you to start here around your neck or chest area and then move upward. Starting like this helps you start blood circulation upward towards your face, which otherwise is very hard for your heart to do on its own. And if you directly jump to any other part of the face, let's say you suddenly start working on your eyes or forehead, you won't find it as beneficial as if you started it around your chest or your neck area and then moved up to your eyes or forehead. There's always a sequence to be followed instead of randomly working on a particular face of area that you want to work on. In my online courses or even in one-on-one face yoga customized classes, you get the best and the fastest customized results because every face transforms better with guided classes. I'm �ルParmita 𝗪𝗏, your face yoga and self-image coach, helping women look and feel confident without chasing trends or injections. If you're ready to go deeper, you'll find my 21-day Face Yoga Mastery program along with all my other online programs and one-on-one coaching options linked in the description below. If this video motivated you to try today's steps, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And my channel is Blush with me, �㫂Parmita. Make sure to share it with someone who's struggling with all the concerns we talked about. And if you've been learning from my videos and you want to support this channel, then you will see this join button. Click that join button and become a supporting member. It's not just about exclusive content, though yes, you will get that too. It is about showing appreciation for the time, thought, and guidance I share here with you every week, week after week, to support your confidence, well-being, and your personal growth. You'll also get rewarded with bonus tutorials, priority responses, and sneak peeks. Who doesn't like behind the scenes? But most importantly, you'll be helping keep this space alive for women just like you. Don't forget to watch the next video in this playlist. It builds beautifully on what you learned today. And follow me on Instagram and my other social media handles for daily inspiration and bite-sized beauty, posture, and self-image tips to keep you going. Until next time, stay radiant and show up as you, the confident you, and continue to blush with me.